In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly remove green screen in Premiere Pro, so let's get to it. So here we are in Premiere. I've got this video of a girl with a green screen in the background, and in order to remove the green screen, first I'm going to open Effects window and search for Ultra Key Effect. Then drag and drop this effect onto the video. After that, head over to the Effect Controls panel, and here under the Ultra Key, we get all of the settings that we can use to remove the green screen. And first and the most important one is the key color, so you can actually key out any color, not just the green. So I'm going to select the eyedropper tool and then select the color in the background, so green in my case. So I'm going to left click, and as I do that, the green screen is gone and all this black space is transparency and there's nothing behind this layer. Now it's very common to have green spilling around the edges of the subject after removing the green screen. So here you can see it is slightly visible, but still it is there. So if that is the case for you and you want to remove the green spilling, you can select the setting instead of default, set it to aggressive. And that will reduce the edges in such a way that it removes the green without affecting the subject. And if there's still some of the spilling visible, you can come into the spill suppression and here increase the spill all the way to 100, and that should help remove that. And after doing all those steps, you should have a perfectly removed green screen with the isolated subject. And just to show you that this, in fact, is a transparent video, so let me drag this video one track up, and I'm going to use a random video, drag it one track below, and here if we play this back, you'll see that we have that video playing in the background, and we have the isolated subject on top of it. So here you can start building out the scene this way. And that is how you quickly remove green screen in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.